Hello everyone, welcome to montyexcel, Excel in Life. In this short video, we'll see how to list all the files which are existing in your folder. These files might be you received from your project team, or these files are collected from a different sources system. All right. So these files are not exactly only Excel. This could be a notepad files. This could be a image files. This could be any other file format which you want quickly copy these files, list of files into your Excel. All right. Either you can use a Power Query, which is much powerful. Within few clicks, we can just create the list of file names in the Excel file. Second option would be you can also write a VBA code and to rearrange all these files into your Excel. But here we are going to see a top secret, which you can do it more quicker than those things, that is using Power Query or VBA. So what you can see here, I have a folder project files where I can see there are different formats, like we have an Excel, we have a PowerPoint, we have PDF, we have Notepad, we have image files as well. So what happens is when you try to right click, we'll all have the standard options, like whether you want to copy, cut, okay, move. But here what I want to do is I want to copy these file names. All right, I want to copy with the file names, or you want to copy with the entire paths. So whatever the case might be, here my business case is to collect all the file names from the folder and show up on the Excel. So what I can do is select all the files in the folder what you have, because here I'm not writing a code, here I'm not using a Power Query, just I want to list all the file names. So what you can do is, instead of right clicking on the files what you selected, what you can do is Control Shift and use the right click option. You'll get immediately copy as a path. Here is the trick. We are not just copying here, we are trying to use copy as a path. Once you click on copy as a path, just move on to your Notepad or Excel, where you can directly place all these file names which you copied just now. So let me paste in the Excel. Here we go. So here I'll put file names. All right. So once the data is available now of different files, now what you can do is we can use our best feature of Excel, that is making a text to columns, right? We can use the text to columns, that is by going for data and use the text to columns here just to retrieve all your file names. So what you need to do is we have a delimiter, we have a fixed width. So what I can do is the very first one is the best choice here, where we can just provide some delimiter option, like we have a backward slash here. You say next, and not really a tab here. I want to go for other option. Once you go for other option, we need to specifically mention, because others mean what kind of delimiter you want to mention here. So I want to use a backward slash. As you can see, there is a backward slash in my list of file names. So once I say next, once I say finish, you can see all the file names are now available. Let me put just header here, and I can just get rid of this other two columns which are not really required for me at this moment. Now you can see the files are showing up in the required format. So here again, we have a project files has a folder name, which is also not required for me because I want to list down only the files. You can just go with the file names here. And as usual, you can just do the cosmetic changes like format and all. We can put the file name here. That's it. Very quickly, we could able to bring down all the files from the folder. If you find this video informative, then click on like button and make sure to subscribe to montyexcel. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.